Excuse me, could you please tell me what time the flight to London departs?
The London flight leaves at 11:30 a.m.
Thank you. Which gate should I go to?
Please go to gate number 7.
Excuse me, where can I check in for the Dubai flight?
You'll find the check-in counter straight ahead, on the left side.
Good morning. May I see your passport and ticket, please?
Good morning. Here they are.
Thank you. Are you checking in any luggage?
Yes, one suitcase and a handbag.
Here's your boarding pass. Your gate number is 12, and boarding starts at 10:30.
Great. Thank you for your help. She is going towards the waiting area to wait for her flight. She sits in the waiting area, sipping her coffee as she waits for her flight. She sits quietly, enjoying her coffee in the waiting area.
Hey, is this seat taken?
No, please sit.
Thanks. It smells so good here. What are you drinking?
Just a cappuccino. Needed some caffeine while waiting.
Please remove your laptop and liquids from the bag.
Oh, sure. Here you go.
Step forward, please.
Walks through scanner.
Thank you. Seat 18A, window seat. Enjoy your flight.